Hi, welcome everyone to the channel. We are discussing question number 12. Number is sparse or not from Bit Magic of must read coding questions in Geekbook. Just have a quick look at the question and we'll be discussing the approach. Before discussing the approach, please don't forget to like and give us a subscribe. If you have any extra IDs, please use those IDs and subscribe our channel. That will be immensely helpful for our future growth. Now let's go to the approach now. So let's understand the meaning of the question coming to the approach. So first we have to understand what is parse. And first that we have to take one example. Let's take an example as 110 and 1. So in this example, if we have any consecutive ones, okay, we have any consecutive ones like 2 or more, that value should be 2 or more. If there are any consecutive ones which are 2 or more, that is not a sparse value. That is not sparse. So sparse means we should have only one value at the least, not sparse. How we know this is not sparse? Because we have two continuous values of the minimum, which is 2. We have two values. Suppose if this is the example of 10 and 10, we can say this number is a sparse value. This will be a sparse value. Okay. But if you find any value which has two ones, at least of two ones, then that is not a sparse value. Okay, that is not a sparse value. Let's take two more examples and see if it is a sparse value one. Let's take 10 10 and 1 1. Now guess it is a sparse or not. Okay, if we have seen these two consecutive values, then you can say this is a not sparse. This is not a sparse value. Now let's take another example. The similarly one above one only. Take 10 10 0. Okay, this is sparse or not? Yes, this is a sparse value because we don't have any consecutive one values of 2 or more. Okay, now there is a short trick to find out. Okay, there is a small trick to find out without using any loops. We can find out in O1 complexity. Okay, so that trick is we have to first convert the number here, any number. Let's take the 1101 only, because if we use this n equal to 2, that will be a very short example, so that will not clear it out. So I'm taking one example here, that 1101 only we will take 1101. So in this trick, what is happening is we have to take the given value and do an AND operation. Okay, we have to do an AND operation with what? We have to shift to this value first. We got one value which is as it is given, and we will take one right shift operation of the same number. If we do the right shift of the same number, we'll get the values as 0 1 1 and 0. This will be the right shift operation of the number given above. Now we have to do a AND operation of both. Now we get 1 0 and we get 1. So this will be 0 and this will be 0. Now we can see we got one value remaining here. So this AND operation where that we are doing here, we get some number which is not 0. Okay, which is not 0. We get some number which is not 0. If it is non-zero, then means it is a not a sparse number. Okay, if we get any non-zero value after doing AND operation here, okay, this is an AND operation here. Okay, this is the AND operation here, don't forget, and this is the right shift value of the above value only. So if we get any non-zero value, then means it is not a sparse number. Let's take this similar example as 10100. I told this is a sparse number. Okay, I told this is a sparse value. Now let's do the same method. Okay, now let's do the right shift of this. Okay, let's do right shift. Let's take here, this is the right shift value. Ri represent right shift. The right shift value, the this example will be 0 1 0 1 and 0. How many values are there? 5 values are there. Okay, now we got 5 values after doing right shift. 0 1 0 1 0. Now we have to do AND operation with the given number only, which is 1 0, right? Let's write down here below 1 0 1 0 and 0. Now, if you're doing AND operation here, you can observe that if you're doing AND operation here, you're getting all zeros here, getting all zeros. If we get all the values as zeros after doing this AND operation, then that means it is not a sparse value. Sorry, then it means it is a sparse value. It is a sparse value if we are getting zero after doing the AND operation. If we are not getting all the values as zero, that will be not sparse. As this example we had discussed, this is a non-sparse, this is a non-sparse, not sparse. And the right side example is a sparse value. If you have understood this question, that is absolutely fine. If you haven't understood, just have a quick look at the coding question. After having a look at the question, I hope your doubt will be cleared. Let's go to the coding part now. Now, this is the coding part of the example that we have discussed. As I have mentioned, we're taking only one condition. So n value which is given as it is, that can be any value. We have discussed some two values here. You can take any example and try it in your own compile. What is that and what is the answer of this and operation that you are getting? Okay, you can try it on your compiler using print statement. You can know the value. Okay, but above as we have discussed for now, after doing the and operation, by doing the right shift with the same value, if we get any non-zero values, then the condition will be true. Condition will be true. If we get any non-zero values, then that means it is a non-sparse number. It is not a sparse value. But if we get the zero value in this case, if condition will fail, after immediately if condition fail, we get return 1. 1 means it is a sparse number. We get any zero value after doing AND operation, then that means it is a sparse number. So I hope the doubt have must been cleared by now. If you still have doubt, please leave a comment. What is the doubt you are having? If you like the way of approach, then please give us a like and share our video with all your friends. And please don't forget to subscribe. If you have any multiple IDs, please do subscribe with all those IDs. That will be very helpful for our growth of the channel. And thank you for watching till the end. Let's meet in the another question.